Hello there and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add an audio to your Instagram edit app. So let's say you're editing a video in your edit app and you want to add an audio. It's simple and easy. Let me show you guys how to do this. So to add an audio, you can see plus add audio on top of the video track there. You can tap there, yes, and you can do that, or you can tap on this audio here behind the text at the left corner of your screen. So you tap on that. You're going to get a variety of music, like a lot of music, like from every genre, from the popular ones to, I think they use your location to check the most used. It's like Facebook. That's how the feature works. So you can search every audio of your choice if you don't see it. So I don't want to play any audio here. So let me try tap on Drake's song and let me pause it before it loads. And then you tap on the arrow button there to add it. So now let me tap on that. I don't want to play the audio because of copyright issues. Yes, so now that's it. So you see the audio has been added to every part of the video. I can choose to trim it if I want to. Let's say I want to add the audio to some selected part of the video. It's just like CapCut. If you can use CapCut, you can use it. Just that if you're an influencer on IG and you want to edit videos, you need to be using this app, because if you want to get a lot of impressions, that's what they are saying. So yeah, if you can use CapCut, you can use this. There's no anything complicated. The UI is very much, user friendly, newbie friendly, I'd say. So that's it. So with the audio, you can do every edit on the audio. You can delete it. You can cut the audio. You can change the volume of the audio. You get it? You can lower it. You can change the audio. Let me come back. I'm not going to do all that. So that's it on adding audio on your video on edit app by Instagram. After that, you go on and then you come here and then you export it and you're good to go. So that's it for the video. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. Peace.